Hello everyone, I'm Austin Kim, a systems of engineer, educator, and author of the popular book on ARM architecture and Linux kernel. If you are interested in reverse engineering or debugging on ARM version 8 based devices, this book is for you. This book is especially helpful for systems of engineer and security consultants. Now, I will introduce the key contents of this book with some screenshots. To analyze binaries, we need to first understand the binary format. This book starts by explaining the ELF file format. ELF structure is described step by step, while also analyzing source code. It covers fundamental topic of ARM version 8 architecture. Assembly instructions are explained it, along with the overall execution flow of the program. You will also learn how compiler options affect the patterns of assembly instruction. Understanding how compilation works is important for starting binary analysis. And this book explains how to read and analyze assembly code and how it translates back into the C code. This is one of the most important skills in binary analysis. Linux device drivers often use KO kernel object model files. This book explains the internal structure of KO file in detail. Using GDB and GF debugging tool, this book explains how the code stack is printed. Also, it shows how the stack memory dumps are organized. In practice, you may face stack corruption issues. This book covers how to debug stack corruption issues with the various case studies. One of the key features of this book is kernel binary analysis. Using vim core dump from ARM device, you will learn how to identify important pattern and magic value in the memory dump. It also explains how to estimate the starting address of structure from the function address. The TrustZone features is explained with the big picture. This hands-on material is helpful for systems of engineer and security consultant. The latest security features of ARM version 8 architecture are clearly explained. For example, pointer identification code and branch target identification and memory tagging extension are reviewed. Let's unlock essential binary analysis together.